Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is my bike check for my DK V2 2014 race bike. Start up on top. I have Vans ODI lock-on grips with the gold locks. Got box maxxis bars, promax brake lever with the box linear nano brake cable, and then I have a promax stem, promax headset. Got going down, I got DK forks. I have profile racing hubs. These are the totem. Got them in gold. I have the box rims, the front and rear. Got a box valve cap. I got maxxis torch tires. I'm running 20 by 195 in the front, 20 by 1.75 in the rear. I have a box seat, the seat post combo, carbon fiber seat post. I got a jet black seat post clamp. And the frame is a Pro XL, the V2. And then I'm running Profile Elite cranks with a Renin chain ring, box chain ring bolts. And there's the rear, same setup as the front. Running promax brake with box brake pads and KMC race chain, and it's pretty fast. I really like it. I hope you do too.